For this part of my conversation, I want to expand more on building up your network, both as a student and a professional. First, join student clubs and organizations. This is a great opportunity for a student to meet people with the same interests and goals. As a student myself, I joined a multicultural club and I became the club president at some point because I was so passionate about sharing my culture, interests, and also have a good time outside of the classroom. Next, attend seminars, workshops, and guest lectures. These events are full of opportunities to connect with both professionals and other students. This means also to not be afraid to introduce yourselves and ask as many questions as you have to. By doing that, you show that you have interest and you're passionate about learning more, and that can help you stand out. A third way to connect with both your classmates and other professionals in your area is also through LinkedIn. Networking doesn't always need to be formal. Even a quick message saying you enjoyed their class or a project can go a long way. It's about building connections that can help you land the job you want in the future. Another big thing is also to volunteer. As a student, especially a freshman student that doesn't have anything to show on their resume, it's very important to volunteer. When you volunteer for campus events or activities, you don't only give back to the community, but also meet people from different backgrounds, build relationships, and improve your resume. While I was a student, and I'm still volunteering, I was able to accumulate more than 700 hours of volunteer service through Boston Cares, which is a community organization based in Boston that can help me build up my resume, practice my public speaking skills, give back to the community. Building on that, internships and part-time jobs related to your field are another great way to meet people who are already working in the industry. These connections are valuable because they can vouch for you for your skills later on. A quick tip before attending a workshop or a seminar or an internship is to practice how you will behave, how you will ask questions, how you'll interact with the people around you. Finally, stay active in online communities. Comment on posts, share ideas, and connect with the people who inspire you. Get from their expertise and get fresh ideas for yourself that you can later on tailor to your own personality. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'm more than happy to answer them in the comments. Have a great day.